Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Jake. I'm 34 years old. I've been actively investing in the stock market since 2023. In this video, I want to share what I'm investing into lately to achieve financial freedom. So this is my portfolio as of October 2025. As you can see, I got about a little more than 100K invested. Most of it is in IYW, iShares US Tech ETF. It's a growth ETF. And about 5% is in IBLC, iShares Blockchain ETF. And then I got some cash sitting in SGov, just waiting as dry powder when the market dips. So I wanted to share my investment journey about my strategy, my thought process, mistakes, basically everything about my portfolio on YouTube to look back later to see how far I've come, and hopefully I can provide some insights and value to investors. So why am I investing in the stock market, especially a growth stock? It's simple, because growth stocks and ETFs have historically delivered high long-term total returns than value stocks or dividend-paying stocks. So in this case, IYW has generated 30% in total return year over year and has outperformed S&P 500 by 13%. I know that this year has been great for the growth stocks overall, but personally, I believe that growth stocks in general, especially the tech sector, will always continue to outperform going forward. Future is all about tech, and it's not changing anytime soon, in my opinion. Even the top S&P 500 stocks consist of tech stocks, and this is why I personally have put all of my money in the tech sector, like IYW and IBLC. Not only that, IYW is well diversified in the tech sector, and so does IBLC is also spread out in most prominent blockchain technology field, and they rebalances every quarter for IYW and every 6 months for IBLC. These funds will allocate the funds accordingly based on the company's performance and outlook. And this is why I'm investing in the stock market, to grow my net worth, to achieve financial freedom. And honestly, I think the stock market is the best place for anyone to start building wealth, in my opinion. You don't need a lot of money to start, although it helps with more cash you have, obviously, but you can start right away for as little as just $100. Better than not doing anything, right? So depending on the amount of shares you own, you get to own a piece of the best companies in the world. So for example, I use Microsoft products every single day at work. Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint, Words, so on. And drive Tesla Model 3 every day to work. By owning these stocks, I'm basically partnering with the smartest people that run these amazing businesses. In fact, Microsoft owns about 27% of OpenAI. What are the odds of you creating the next ChatGPT? I know for sure I can't. And this is why I love investing in the stock market. And here's another thing. When the Fed prints more money, your salary is not growing with the inflation. Your boss don't care, and feds don't care. That same amount of money that you're making right now will depreciate as the Fed continues to print more money, and they always will. But your assets, like stocks, will continue to go up as Fed prints more money. And this is another reason why I will always put most of my money to work in the stock market. So I wanted to get this video out to the world to manifest my dream. So I have a dream to reach financial freedom through my investment and build a long-lasting legacy for my family. So my goal as of now is to grow this 100K portfolio into a $1 million portfolio within 10 years. It might happen sooner, it might take longer, who knows? But all I know is that if I stay consistent and let the compounding do its thing, I'll get there eventually. 10 years might sound like a long time, but it's really just one step at a time. I'm 90% away from my goal, and let's see where this journey will take me. If you're on a similar path, then stick around by subscribing and giving a thumbs up. I'll continue to give updates, share every process and what I've learned along the way. And thank you for watching this video.